Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of activating your ShareASale affiliate dashboard and launching your affiliate campaigns quickly and efficiently. Follow these step-by-step instructions to get started. Step 1. Create your ShareASale account. Begin by visiting the ShareASale website. Click on the Sign Up button to create your account. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and payment details. Make sure to review and accept the terms and conditions before submitting your application. Step 2. Wait for approval. After submitting your application, you will need to wait for ShareASale to review and approve your account. This process usually takes a few hours to a couple of days. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation. Step 3. Log into your dashboard. Once your account is approved, go back to the ShareASale website and log in using your credentials. You'll be directed to your conference dashboard, where you'll find various tools and resources to help you manage your campaigns. Step 4. Explore the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the different sections of your dashboard. Look for merchants, reports, and links to understand the available options. Each section offers valuable information for optimizing your affiliate marketing efforts. Step 5. Choose your merchants. Navigate to the Merchants tab to browse through various affiliate programs available on ShareASale. You can filter merchants by category, commission rate, and popularity. Once you find a merchant that aligns with your niche, click on their link to apply for their affiliate program. Step 6. Get your affiliate links. After being approved by your chosen merchants, you can access your unique affiliate links. Go to the Links section in your dashboard, where you can generate and customize these links for your promotions. Step 7. Create your campaigns. Start creating your affiliate campaigns by utilizing different marketing strategies, such as blog posts, social media promotions, or email newsletters. Make sure to use your unique affiliate links in all your marketing materials to track conversions. Step 8. Monitor your performance. Regularly check the Reports section of your dashboard to monitor your performance metrics. Pay attention to clicks, sales, and commissions earned. This information is crucial for understanding what works and how you can improve your campaigns. Step 9. Optimize your strategies. Based on the data gathered from your performance reports, adjust your marketing strategies as needed. Experiment with different approaches and continuously refine your campaigns for better results. Step 10. Stay engaged with ShareASale. Keep yourself updated on ShareASale's latest offerings, tools, and tips. Join their webinars, read their blogs, and engage with their community to gain insights that can help you succeed as an affiliate marketer. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Your support means a lot to us. Happy marketing!